Welcome to this tutorial on building a custom web browser using the PyQt5 library in Python. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an address bar, back, and forward buttons, and load URLs. We will be using the main window class to create the main window for our browser, and the client edit, toolbar, and push button classes for the address bar, toolbar, and buttons. First, we will set up our environment and install the necessary libraries. Next, we will create the browser class and define the layout of our main window. We will create an address bar and a toolbar, and add back and forward buttons to it. We will then define a method to load URLs and connect it to the address bar's return pressed signal. And we will create a method to update the back and forward buttons based on the availability of the back and forward actions. Finally, we will run the application and load a default URL. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we have created a functional web browser.
You can find the full code for this tutorial in the video's description. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed building your own custom web browser.